Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what thirsty means? Let's explore. Thirsty is a slang term used to describe someone who is overly eager or desperate for attention, especially romantic or sexual attention. When someone is called thirsty, it means they are trying too hard to get noticed or validated by others, often through excessive flirting, attention-seeking behavior, or posting provocative content online. The term can be used humorously or critically, depending on the context. Thirsty behavior often comes across as desperate or lacking in subtlety, as the person is clearly seeking affirmation or attraction in a way that feels exaggerated or unnatural. In essence, being thirsty is about being too obvious or eager in your pursuit of attention, signaling a desire for validation that might come across as needy or excessive. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.